have here small pieces of crepe paper, 2 pieces pink and 2 pieces white, and the size of each crepe paper is 6 cm by 50 cm. We will place all pieces on top of each other, and for this upper part here we will leave 2 cm, and we will take this bottom part and fold it here till this place that we just measured. Fold it again and fold it one more time. And now we are going to make long cuts in these, not till the end there, only till this place where we have folded the papers, only till here we will make long cuts in these. Make the cuts after each half centimeter and keep on making cuts till the end. After we have made the cuts, we will open this up like this. This is one piece. We will make one more piece like this. After that, we'll take squares of crepe paper of 8 by 8 centimeters. We'll take 6 pieces at this moment, place them on top of each other. Make small zigzag folds in this. After making the folds, we'll take a piece of thread, tie it around the middle and make a double knot. Cut out the excess thread that we have here. On the corners, we will make small arched cuts, and that's the same that we will be doing on this side as well. After having done so, we will open it up and bring one paper each time for above. Do the same on the other side as well. And like this, we will make multiple flowers in white color and in pink color. After that, I have small pieces of papers. I took white paper, which I'll be using as a stencil. The size of this one is 14 by 16 centimeters. This is 12 by 10 centimeters. This is 8 by 9 centimeters. And this is 6 by 6 centimeters. Now what we will do with these pieces is we will fold these in half. Draw half of a butterfly on this. And cut this out. This is exactly what we will be doing with all these sizes as well. As I told you before, these are stencils. We will be using these as stencils. We will be needing butterflies in different colors, in dark pink, in light pink, and in white. After we have made the butterflies, we'll take the wing side, fold it, and fold these 2 places where the wings join as well, and fold it over like this. And that's what we are going to do with all these butterflies. Next we are going to take small pieces of paper. This one is 10 by 10 centimeters and this one is 6 by 6 centimeters. We'll take one of these and we'll fold this in half. And on this we will draw half of a heart. I will cut this out. That's the same that I'll be doing with this paper as well. And we will be using these as a stencil on light pink paper. With the help of these, we'll draw over it and we'll cut it out. And in light color pink, we'll make multiple hearts in 10 by 10 centimeters and in the 6 by 6 centimeters. I have here silver glitter gift paper. I took a piece of 50 by 30 centimeters and we'll turn this over. And because this glitter paper came in a roll, it is rolling, so I straighten it up like this so that I can draw half of a heart on it. We'll draw it like this for this side, lengthwise. We will start on this area here and we will make half of a heart. After drawing the heart, we'll cut it out. I took small pieces of thread of 25 centimeters each. We'll leave a small area and then we'll take the small pink heart and with tape on the back side we'll paste that on the thread. We will paste one more small heart and we will take one large heart and paste that under the small one. And like this we are going to make strings. We have here 2 heart-shaped balloons in pink color, 3 normal balloons in pink color, and 2 normal balloons in white color. And we are going to inflate all of these. After inflating all these balloons, we will take the heart-shaped balloon that we have and we will take the frills that we made in the starting. On the area where we did not cut, we'll take a small piece of double-sided tape, put it on a corner, turn it around, and on this tail section that we have here of the pink balloon, paste this with the double-sided tape and go around it. And when we are finished going around it, we'll take a small piece of tape and we will put this tape here. That's the same that we are going to do with the other heart-shaped balloon and the frills. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll take our silver heart that we made, half of the heart, and on the back side we'll put double-sided tape and we'll paste this on the wall. After we have pasted this silver heart, we'll take our crepe paper flowers, the small ones that we had in white and pink color, and we will decorate it around this. After we have pasted these, we will paste our balloons. And to paste our balloons, we will start with this pink one. Next to the pink color balloon, we will paste our white balloon, and we will paste one white balloon on this side as well. Next to the white color balloon, we will hang pink balloon. Do the same on this side as well. And next we will take our large heart balloon and we will paste this on both sides. Now we will take these small strings with hearts that we made and we will paste this under each balloon, just under the normal balloons. After we have pasted these, we will take our butterflies and we will paste our butterflies. First the dark pink, then the light pink, and after the light pink, the white color butterflies. I have made this in pink color in case you want to use this for a baby shower, birthday or any other occasion, you can replace the pink colors with blue to make it special for boy. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do check out the other decorations on my channel. I have many more decorations and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special. Many more awesome decorations are coming soon, so if you don't want to miss any of my future decorations, then make sure that you subscribe.